The rise of fitness apps and wearables.
Fitness tracking apps and wearable devices are more popular than ever, promising personalized workout plans and real-time feedback. With millions of users, many wonder if these digital tools can actually replace the expertise and guidance of a certified personal trainer. Let's examine the facts behind this growing trend and separate the hype from reality.
What do fitness apps and wearables offer?
Most fitness apps and wearables deliver workout routines, track progress, monitor heart rate, and provide motivational reminders. Some even use artificial intelligence to adjust workouts based on performance. They make fitness more accessible and convenient, offering guidance at the touch of a button, all at a fraction of the cost of personal training sessions.
What do certified personal trainers provide?
Certified personal trainers deliver customized exercise programs, ensure proper technique, and adapt workouts to individual needs and goals. They offer real-time feedback, adjust routines for injuries or limitations, and provide accountability and encouragement. Their hands-on expertise can prevent injuries and help people overcome plateaus that often stall progress.
Can digital tools match human expertise?
While technology offers data-driven support, it cannot fully replicate the nuanced understanding of a skilled trainer. Apps and wearables may miss subtle issues like poor form or unique health concerns. Studies show that motivation and adherence are often higher with personal trainers, thanks to their personal connection and ability to adapt in real time.
The best approach, combining both.
Fitness apps and wearables are powerful tools for tracking and guidance, but they're most effective when used alongside human expertise. For many, a blended approach, using digital tools for daily tracking and relying on personal trainers for guidance and motivation, offers the best of both worlds for safe and effective fitness results.